Ito yung takbo ng
But I have to
ambulance dito sa
talk to
Dubai.
dispatch. I cannot speak because
We call already the mid-city clinic, but they didn't answer. We thinking,
City Hospital.
yeah, we're thinking to call the ambulance there, but it's far away. So I dial for the
999.
99998.
That is this one. Yeah.
Yeah. Baba was fine. Very fine.
This age, you don't know what will happen. Suddenly, anything can happen.
Wala. He ate
He will be fine.
breakfast like the
You know, for us, see our age, you don't know. Suddenly, khalas, he will be sick.
sasa. How come Baba is old and too much also?
That's why, yeah. But he's still good, strong man.
Yeah, very strong man.
I'm going slowly because I
Yeah,
don't know.
no problem. It's okay. We can ride our car, but we are afraid if the Baba oxygen was dropping because our oxygen is not like
No, I
ours.
have to call ambulance. No
Yeah. And whatever happened to the way, we don't know. That's why we call ambulance.
No problem. It's fine. Anytime you can call ambulance.
Thank you.
Ambulance is here to help only. No, don't take risk of car.
Yeah,
Always.
yeah.
And this geriatric, like big age, this
Yeah.
one, you have to be very careful.
Before when Baba was admitted, we managed because like the saturation Baba is 90, 91, but the pulse rate was high. So, but we see that Baba is little bit okay, not like this. So we ride the car, we go to the hospital.
But it's very dangerous.
Yeah.
Always be careful. You don't know, suddenly the oxygen level goes down. Suddenly,
Yeah.
anything can happen.
That's why we tell to sir that sir, it's better we call the ambulance.
His
Then-
good behavior is very good, mashallah.
Yeah, he's very good.
You know, he want to help us.
Yeah.
But for us, all males are busy. So that's why they send us.
It's okay because too much employee of Baba here. Yeah, there is man. And the hospital, there is man of baby.
We have only problem from the stair. When we are going
Yeah.
down, it's very heavy. We need
Baba, there is little chair, stair there back in the kitchen, but the door is not wide as much in the entrance.
Yeah, we can go directly.
Where? With the city hospital?
Yeah, city hospital.
Yellow, yeah?
Hello.
Marami, matapos na lang sa
Ambulance dito sa
Madina.
Dubai. Hindi na daw siya mamadali kasi matanda na si Papa. Tapos sabi niya bilis na siya. Mamadali na siya. Tef, ilang oxygen, Tef?
Some people, they will just brake on the car and they don't know what to do.
Yeah. This one is emergency. They have to
Yeah.
like
They
give
have
way.
to go. They're still suddenly brake for what?
See that one? This is emergency.
I don't know if Baba is scared of this or not.
No, it's okay. Baba don't know now.
Before I didn't speak because I am not confirmed with the same hospital.
Yeah, it's okay. At least now you confirm. Baba has all the files there. They know Baba. We stayed for when Baba was admitted. We stayed stay at VIP room.
Mama looks so cute.
Yeah, Mama really love Baba,
Yeah.
but
she
you
looks
know,
good.
and old Arab.
Yeah. She was like very scared.
But relax, huh?
Yeah.
He has
He will be
strong
fine.
heart.
He will be fine, inshallah. I will also pray for Baba.
Yeah.
It's not only your Baba, it's our Baba also.
I take good care of Baba 5 years already.
Very good.
And the one is 4 years. This is the worst scenario we have
Why?
today. Because before we just go to the hospital and
Don't worry,
check
don't
with the
worry.
doctor.
Don't worry, he will be fine. Give me way, Baba. You have enough space. I thought maybe Baba will be angry why they sent a female, no?
No, no, no.
That's why, we
No,
have
no,
to be
no, no.
strong.
Baba is not like that because he is telling us that please call to my son like that. Maybe he's thinking that he really needs immediate response because he's not fine like that. Malapit na kami sa hospital. Hospital na naman.
I cannot speak because of the Baba. Baba came, no?
Yeah.
Where is Baba? No, the son. He's coming.
Yeah, they are in the back.
They're in the back?
Mm.
No, they can't. I cross all the red signals.
It's okay.
We are here, Mariam, okay?
Malapit na tayo, te.
We are well trained for this driving. We are well trained.
You are very nice driving. Yeah, like smooth.
Yeah, we
Not
have to
like
smoother.
the other driver that's brake.
We have to be careful because thank you so much.
Yeah, you are really good driver.
Thank you so much. Go, Baba, go.
So, yun na nga guys. Na-ICU yung alaga namin. Ngayon, pauwi na ako. Kasi wala pa akong tulog. Balik lang ako bukas ng umaga. Ito yung sinakyan namin. Hammer. Hindi makita. There is light. For a while. It's okay. Yan. Ito. Say hi, say hi. Hi. Sa Babakar yung taga-ano namin. Taga-Maniho. Maybe there is video here.